In the next 30 seconds, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a 6-figure online business. Before I begin, here are some of the things you don't need. 1. Your own products. 2. Fulfilling products. 3. Technical skills. 4. Prior marketing or business knowledge. What you do need to do is understand affiliate marketing and how to leverage it. Step 1. Learn and duplicate our system. Step 2. Promote it to others. Step 3. Make a profit each time you create a sale. Some affiliate programs even have recurring commissions, which means a single sign-up could make you money every single month. And that's not even the best part. The best part is you can set up this entire funnels in as fast as half hour, and with little to no startup cost. Now you may wonder if it is so great, why isn't everyone doing this? The truth is most people don't have tried and tested blueprints and strategies they can copy and use. A problem you won't have if you go build with Funnily. Get started and learn key strategies today.